Okay guys, this video is a sound comparison of 3 different generations of Camaros. So let's get started. This one here is new. I just got it a couple weeks ago and I did a few mods to it. I'm gonna make a video going over all the mods. It's basically cosmetic stuff. This is a 2011 SS Camaro. This one here is my 2000 SS Camaro. It has a few things done to it as well. I bought them when they were already done. I added the wheels, cleaned it up really well, and I've been enjoying this car. This one here is my old school. It's a 1971 Camaro. I love driving it as well. I don't daily it, but it does have the Tech fuel injection setup on the original 350 that came in this car. But unfortunately, it's not a real Z28. It came badged that way when I purchased it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just for fun. I've been out of town. I haven't made anything, so I was like, hey, I gotta do something. But yeah, I'll do more videos on these cars. If you want me to, just let me know. I'm still gonna be doing test drives like normal. I'll see you Monday.